How to edit an activity in Strava. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to edit your activity on Strava, then go ahead and open Strava on your device firstly and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and once you are in your profile, you will see the option for activities there. So go ahead and tap on the activities option you see there, and in here, you will be able to view all your activities. So go ahead and tap on the activity that you want to make changes in, and once you have opened that particular activity, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for edit activity. So tap on the edit activity option you see there, and in here you can go ahead and change the title of your activity, change your map type, add in details such as activity tag or how did that activity feel, or you can also change your visibility and you can mute your activity for others too. Once you are done making all the changes that you want, tap on the update activity option you see there in order to save all the changes that you just made, and with this your activity on Strava will be changed. So this was about how you can edit an activity in Strava. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.